Hello students, welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter first, the rise of nationalism in Europe, history part. This is module 10th. In 9th, we discuss about the unification of Germany. Now here, we will discuss about the unification of Italy. These both are the important questions regarding exams. As we know, as Germany was also divided into different parts, same situation was Italy. Italy was divided into different fragmentations and it was into 7 parts. Italy was divided into 7 parts. North was controlled by Habsburg Empire. This was like the Austrian Empire we had read. South was under the control of Bourbon families, Bourbon kings of Spain. Central part was controlled by Pope. Sardinia, Piedmont was under the control of Italy itself. It means north, that was the Austrian king Metternich, south was the Bourbon king, and central was Pope, the head guru of the church, and maximum powers with him. Sardinia, Piedmont, that was under the control of Italy. King Victor Emmanuel II was the king of this Sardinia. Okay. Now, what happened? Italy tried in 1831 and 1848 to gain freedom, but they did not succeed. Now what happened? This Mazzini formed an association named as Young Italy. To get freedom from this monarchy system, but he was also not able to succeed. Now it was the responsibility of King Victor Emmanuel II to get freedom from this monarchy system. They were trying hard and now they took the step. First off, it was the first step that was taken in 1859. In 1859, what happened? Cavour. In 1859, Cavour, the chief minister, with the help of King defeated the Austrian Habsburg Empire. How he did? This Cavour was not a liberal or a warrior, but with his diplomatic policy, with his diplomacy, or with the skill of this diplomacy, he was able to defeat the king of this Prussia, Habsburg Empire. Because what was the main thing? He knew French. better in comparison to Italy. To comparison, French better in comparison to Italy. So means what he did, he regrouped the Italian people, as Italy was also not the official language, different language, dialects were also spoken. So what he reunited and he defeated the Austrian Habsburg Empire. Okay. Comparison to Italy. Now what happened in 1860, under the leadership of King Victor and Giuseppe Garibaldi, defeated the part of southern region, that was under the Bourbon king of Spain. So what happened within this span of 2 years, in the northern part, Cavour was able to acquire the area from Austrian northern part. Southern part was overtaken by King Emmanuel as well as Garibaldi. So in 1861, what happened? In 1861, Italy was unified as Republic of Italy. Now it was into a formation of complete country, or you may say nation state, that was formed into a nation state. And what happened? Some of the illiterate or uneducated people had not heard the word Italia, in this southern part. Now what happened? These peasants, they were innocent, they were, you may say, very forward and straightforward type of the person. They do not know about such thing. So they were thinking that Italia is the wife of King Emmanuel. They had not heard word Italia. It is related to Italy. So these people were very innocent. They do not know, but this was the reality, that in 1861 Italy was able to convert into a Republic of Italy.